Hi everybody, welcome. I believe this is a great way to start and to practice and to lose the fear of making mistakes and killing plants that we all do all the time, unfortunately, but it's the way to learn. So what I'm gonna do today is sow microgreens, what we call sowing any type of leaf vegetables. It could be, I have here with me a mix of lettuces and different types of colors and shapes, but we are not going to let them grow until they are big. So I'm gonna use things that you can find at home. I'm gonna use is these takeaway trays that I always save because wonderful to grow microgreens. And so what I've done is fill one of them with a seedling type of soil. This one, because it needs to be light so the roots grow without any restrictions. It needs to be aerated, which is the lightness is given by the peat moss. Unfortunately, peat moss is not a very environmentally friendly product, but for seedlings it's the only time I keep buying products with it. For bigger projects I try to buy soil without it. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is fill one of these trays with the seedlings mix, planting mix. As I said, it needs to be light, aerated. It has these white things that you see in there are called perlite, and it gives aeration to the soil. It's inorganic, so it won't give your any type of nutrients to your crops. I put another foil tray at the bottom, fill with a watering can the tray. So what is gonna happen when you do that is that the tray that I perforated, I've made 2 holes in it because it needs to have drainage. The soil is gonna start getting moist, which this one is. It already started getting moist. Your seed packet, one you can choose arugula, any type of lettuces, if you like radishes, even carrots. The green of a carrot you can eat. Basil also, because what you are gonna do is let them grow this big, and then you're gonna trim it. And the great thing about this is that you don't need to have them outside, because it's gonna be for a short period of time. I'm talking about maybe 15 days, and you can add this on top of your dinner, your dishes, or prepare a little salad, add some greens. So I'm gonna put the seeds in my hand, as many seeds as you can. This is gonna be a super high density sowing. This is a mix of lettuces. This one has also some brassicas in it. You're gonna start letting the seeds go really densely into the soil mix. You're gonna tap to make the seeds get in contact with the soil. We do the rest of the tray. It's tricky sometimes because you cannot see the difference between the color of the soil. The closer they get, the better. You're gonna use a packet almost doing this. You see how the soil is getting moist, and I've only added the water from the bottom. So again, you tap and you just sprinkle thinly on top of the seeds, because lettuce seeds need to get a little bit of light through the soil, otherwise it's gonna take longer for them to germinate. And then again, don't press too hard. This is crucial, that the seeds need to be in contact with the soil. Put a tag. I use these popsicle wooden sticks to add the date, because then if it's been a month and you don't see anything coming up, something's wrong, either with the seeds or something you've done. But you see how the soil, it's great to do it that way, because if I would pour now water on top of this, the seeds would splash everywhere and will get into one corner, and then we wait. And in 10-15 days you're able to enjoy this. So these are called microgreens. I hope this has been useful. See you soon, and thanks for joining me. Bye.